Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, this morning, it's very early in the morning. It's about a few minutes past 7. I think my other video I went a little bit earlier. I left a little bit earlier, not like I went a little bit earlier, but today I just felt like, okay, let me just stay, because I trekked a very long distance before I could even get a transport system. But today my husband is dropping me off. Anyway, I'm going to some early morning market. Like this is like a typical Saturday market in, what's the name of the market? In Ido Market. I've never been to this market before, but just for the sake of touring markets and showing you guys how a typical market is, rural markets. I don't know if I'll call this a rural market or an urban market, because I don't know, but it's more like where some farmers bring things to, and majorly foodstuff markets. So you guys just enjoy this ride with me, and please guys, before you continue, just like the video, because that's all that you can do for me in this particular, to help me to like the video. Leave your comments if you want, but at least like the video, that's engaging in it, and subscribe if you've not subscribed. Just enjoy the ride with me. Let's go to Ido Market together. Like this is my first time, so whatever you'll be seeing in this video, that'll be the first time I'll be seeing it, because most of the time we just usually drive past it. I've never stopped by to check out the market, so we'll be seeing the market together for the very first time. I'll talk to you guys later. I don't know if you guys will see my face again based on how this market people behave, but whichever way, just enjoy the video basically. So guys, in today's vlog we are going to be visiting a market where they sell just plantain, or mostly plantain and other fruits, but this market is mainly plantain, bananas, all species of bananas and all that. And of course we all know that to this particular season, during June, July, August is not plantain season. As much as you can see a lot of plantain in the markets, but these plantains are freaking expensive. Maybe because it's not the season, or it's just the general hike in food items going on in Nigeria at the moment. Because yes, I know that this is not plantain season, but the price is not as outrageous as the prices of this plantain are in this market. Well, I came to this market and I wasn't really able to talk to anybody, because everybody seemed to be so uptight and hostile and all that. So I just gave like an overview, went around, asked like 1 or 2 people how much their plantain is being sold, and the prices they were calling really amazed me. You can imagine this starch is going for 2,000 naira. When it's plantain season and food are not this expensive, this thing is going for like 500 naira maximum. But now you can see that this plantain that she's touching, just 6 or 7 seeds of plantain, is going for 2,000 naira. And then you see the ones that are in bunches right behind her, where they keep like 6 per bunches. These are things that they sell for as high as 80,000 naira for 6 bunch of plantain. Or they have the sizes of 40,000, they have the sizes of 35,000, 55, 60. Just depends on how big the seeds of the plantain is, you understand. So I tried asking this man to get the price of the banana, so maybe you just hear with your ear how much it told me. How do you sell? So he told me 80,000 naira for 6 bunches of plantain, and then I'm asking him how much his last is. He couldn't even say anything, but right in my presence I knew I saw a woman buying the 6 bunches for like, I think 70,000 or 72,000 thereabouts. Anyway, I left his stand and I went to another person who actually told me the same ranges of prices, you understand, maybe depending on the particular seeds of plantain I'm looking for, because I like my plantains being big. I actually did not come to the market to buy. I just came to, you know, give you the sounds and sights of the market. Anyway, one thing you also know that in this market they sell bags of gari, white gari and red gari, you understand. And I had the opportunity to also say, okay, let me go and check up on the people who are selling the gari after going around on people selling plantain, asking them one or two things individually, because nobody wants to have you put camera on their face, or nobody wants to talk to you, you know, when you're holding the camera. This man was also trying to still market me in the plantain, you know, trying to make ask me to buy his plantain, you understand. But because I didn't come to buy, I wasn't too insisting on the price I want to get it, because to be really honest, the prices were outrageous to me, you understand. And then I went to this stand where I was asking how much they sell their gari, and this is the price she said.
44 for red, Abby.
You guys, I couldn't waste so much time in this market, but they have a lot of people selling this gari in this section of the market. I think the market is divided into two. One section are for people selling gari, and the other section are for people selling the plantain. You get a lot of people come to this market to get plantain and gari for sale in their shops, in their store, in other smaller markets. This is where they actually got the gari. But because I did not have that reception of people, you know, the way people were staring and just being very suspicious of my vlogging, you know, you have to be careful when vlogging at the market. And just the fact that I'm just coming back into the vlogging thing, I'm just trying to be careful and not get myself, you know, embarrassed or harassed. That's the word, you get. So I had to leave the market, and guess what, guys, I left this market and I went to Oyigbo market. Like in this particular video, you're watching me vlogging about two different markets, you get. So after I left, after discussing with this woman, she trying to, you know, tell me the kind of things, why the custard, the sizes of the custard, the different sizes of custard, how people at home use smaller custard and then they use bigger custard, because I was telling her that the prices are not different from how they sell it at home. That's when she started explaining the price of the size of the custard to me, that people at home use smaller custard, why the people in the market, they use the bigger custard, you get. So she was just trying to, you know, convince me on why I should buy. I later left Oyigbo market, and then coming here, I was asking them for the price of these snails. Like, they were so catchy in the eyes, but you guys, you won't believe the prices they actually paid me.
32,000. How much is this? 10,000 for 20 pieces. The jumbo size is that much. That jumbo in front of you. Okay. 55,000 for 20 pieces. Jumbo 45. Now your last.
After hearing the price of how they sell this snail so expensively, they sell it per 20 pieces, and some is going for, you know, 53,000 naira last for 20 pieces. The other size 43,000 naira for 20 pieces. The smaller size goes for 10,000 naira. The very tiny sizes go for 10,000 naira. I just came to the conclusion that snail na big man food, and then I left and I started touring the market. You get, I went to different places in the market, but something unique actually happened while I was vlogging that actually cut this vlog short. You guys can see how short the vlog is, you get. You know, after asking this man the price of his fish and trying to know, you know, on my way entering into the market, because I wanted to get into the market and get the prices of things and try to ask people price of things and just give you guys the sight and sound of what a Saturday morning market looks like in Oyigbo market, you get. You won't believe what I want to say. I started feeling really pressed. Like I feel like I wanted to go to the toilet. Like I felt so pressed that I started sweating from the crown of my head. This was very early in the morning. You can imagine me sweating the way I was early in the morning because of how pressed I was. I could not concentrate in the vlog again. I did not just know what I was doing. Just the remaining part of the vlog you'll be watching was just me going around the market, even trying to want to, say, I cannot just come all the way because where I'm coming from is really far. You get to this particular Ido Market from the other market I'm coming from, and from my home, and getting to this market, and I'm beginning to feel the way I'm feeling. I just felt like, okay, let me get this vlog to a certain point where I'll be able to post it and not just waste the content completely. So here I'm asking how much is the paint of the Okoro. The woman was telling me one is 18,000 naira last for a paint, another 17, another 16. I left her and I went about the market. So I'll just beg you guys to actually enjoy the rest of the vlog, because that was just me going around the market and trying to give you guys a nostalgic feeling of the prices of the sights and sound of the market, because I could not really vlog in depthly because of what I was feeling. I actually left the market and started running back home, and to be really honest with you, I could not even get home before I looked for a toilet. I said, God, where do I get the toilet? Anyway, that's not the third thing I want to actually tell you guys my experience, but that actually cut short my vlogging for this particular video because I could not concentrate anymore. I had to leave and go back home. So this was basically what I could get from the market. I just hope you enjoyed the rest of the vlog, and thank you so very much for watching my video. Let me just allow you guys to enjoy the vlog to the end.
Now your last.
This is a man with strong position, person before. When you come in the night, the man will feel powerful. Let me see the man who gets strength. The man gets strength. But this infection, the weak person. And when you get it very light, if it makes sense to woman,
Mama, how much?
And your husband is saying we fit produce baby.
4,000.
If you don't spend money for infection, if you don't take Michamel, if you don't take...
How about this fillet? Mama, I said 10,000. What else? Iru, how's it? For Derika. Derika. That is your land. You drive back on your motor. Don't drive.